All right, there we go.
Well, good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to Gray Shot Down. I'm Gray Shot Down on the sticks alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. We're going to take you on another full self-drive 11.4.7 aerial perspective video. If you are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps this crazy YouTube algorithm, and I greatly appreciate it.
Oh, there's like a little farm right there. That's cute. I haven't been down the street in years. This is definitely a hill you avoid in the winter.
Yeah, no kidding.
We're going on Power Line, right? Road. All right, so you should stop. Excellent. Excellent. And then we'll left tap to get going. There you go. Doing okay?
Yep.
I do think this road might be 45. So we'll see what happens when we get down there.
Okay.
If it is, we might not be able to make it on the windy daylight today.
Okay. Play it by ear. It's pretty. It's not a super busy day. You know.
Everyone's at home watching their football.
Yeah.
Sorry about the coffee.
You're fine.
Coming up on a right turn. Got some tall trees. It's four-way stop. Excellent. Good turn. Let me know if you need me to slow down because it's 40 in this.
Keeping up with you. Oh, now I'm not keeping up with you. I got a headwind.
Okay.
Up until the left-hand turn up there.
Okay. About like 37? Does that work?
Yeah, I'm only holding about 33.
Okay.
I'll be able to cut the turn though.
Okay.
Yeah, now I'm only holding like 30 in some patches.
Slowed it down as much as I could.
No, you're fine. Now, I had a feeling I'd have a headwind going into this this direction.
Yeah. No, you're directly going into the wind.
Uh-huh.
These are pretty houses out here.
Very.
Alright, we don't have to stop, but they do. So let's see how lightning handles it. Not bad. Actually, don't mind the signal there, since you're coming across traffic that way. Alright, can I speed up a little?
Yeah, go ahead. I'm just cutting the corner. And I should get my tail wind again. Perfect. Man, it's windy.
Very windy. Oh, high power lines.
Oh, I see. I'm over.
Sorry.
Oh, you're fine.
I was like, oh shit. Oh, farts. Forget it's Finley.
Country.
Yep.
There we go. That was already pretty up in the air because of the headwind that I was fighting. So
Yeah. I just saw him and I was like, oh, farts.
I saw on my screen.
Okay, just make sure. Doing my job.
Appreciated the call out though.
Oh,
Or actually, I didn't know the call out was a little helpful.
Double up. Oh. They kind of blend in with all the other ones.
Mm-hmm. And especially on a grade A.
Yeah. You're 4 minutes.
Oh, I'm fine. 68.
I think when we do drives like this, I really pay attention more to like how many power lines there are, the amount of tall trees, like how tall trees actually are.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this road that we're getting on though definitely is 50.
Oh, this one coming up.
Yeah,
It's a.
oh no, never mind. We're going side road. You're good. We're going Haney Road. I thought we were turning up at the railroad tracks. No, I'll go. You can tell we don't know this roads as much as possible, or as much as the
As much as our earlier ones.
Yeah, I don't know these routes. Wow, that is a cool barn when you get to watch the footage when we come back.
The one on the right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, they have the 10 Commandments out. Hey, we avoided all the fast roads.
I know, we did well.
Good job, Lightning, picking the correct route. I thought we were gonna get thrown onto Finley Drive, you know. Oh no, this road is 50.
It
Right,
turned, no,
yeah.
it was 35 at one point.
Yeah, no, now it's 50.
Okay, well, I'll just do a.
Do you want me?
No, you go ahead.
Oh, everyone's turning behind me, so we're good.
Oh, okay.
We have one truck behind us.
There, you go ahead. I'll be okay.
Okay. Let's go 45.
Unless you get starting to get pushed.
Yeah.
Because we're almost at our final destination.
Yeah. You can go slow for
We'll be okay. He's hauling a trailer, it looks like.
Yeah.
Well, you guys, thanks for tuning in. I'm Gray Shot Down on the sticks alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. This has been another full self-drive aerial perspective video of Tesla's 11.4.7 software stack.